Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for an amazing crafting weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's a background designed from one of my VIP Lounge digital papers from the month of September. So the VIP Lounge is a subscription that I have on my website where every month you get papers, gift box, little treat offers and a discount code forever. Yes, it's a lifetime discount code. Now, before I tell you how to get this freebie, let me show you the VIP Lounge paper for the month of September. It's probably one of my favorite kits that I have designed. It has 14 pages and it's called Blue Toile. I love it. There are a mixture of background, tags and ephemera. So just going to quickly go through one by one. This is one background. As you can see here, I just made it a little bit dirty because I like it to be quite rusty and vintage. Another background, some tags that you guys can fussy cut. Look how cute they are. This is one of my equestrian favorite scene. Got another one, another background. Another geometric motifs. This will look amazing as a wallpaper if you wish to. Then you get a large envelope and a pillow box. You get some pockets for your journals or memory keeping if you do scrapbooking, because you can put photos or ephemera inside. Oh, this is one of my favorite pages of the kit. Now, I hope you can see that 369 embellishments that I have designed on a blue, well, kind of like different shades of blue. So you got some wasps and bees. There is a jellyfish. There is a lovely bow, seashell, a fly, another shell, another bow. Look at that, it's got the rose in the middle and the fish. Only because I thought if you mix and match, you can use this to decorate something else. Another set of tags. Another geometric motif background. A plain background. I want to give you something different because you can cut this and create little cards, or you can use it as its own entirety. Another background. Love these. And another one. Now, a lot of these geometric or toile motifs, some businesses have their own copyrighted design, so I have to kind of messing about with the faces because yeah, there is a lot of things that are copyrighted. But yeah, so that's kit number one. And then kit number two is a little gift that all my VIP members will get this month, and it's a set of 12 bookmarks. So there's 16, sorry, that's 4 pages, and there is 4 on each page. So you've got a set of 4 here. They are very large, so you can use those tags or bookmarks. They are nearly 8 by 2 3/4. Very, very large. So you've got one with these lovely roses, one with the poppies. Look, oh, love it. One with a giraffe and another floral one. It looks like a little field. Okay, and last but not least, we have a 3D gift box letter. So we're doing the alphabet series. We are up to letter Q. So this is the template that you receive. So you get a sheet with the assembly instruction, and then of course the template that you just need to cut and put it together. Okay, so there is also a private video that I filmed showcasing how you put this together. Okay, so you just need to follow that, but also the video really helps. And on here, because I had quite a lot of space, so you get everything you need to get the 3D Q letter, and also because I had this space, I just put an additional pillow box. I have some letters here on my desk. Got letter O, letter P. But let me show you what the letter Q looks like when it's all done up. And this what it looks like when it's all done up. all my 3D letterboxes, they all stand up on their own. So look how cute that is. And this is what the pillow box looks like when it's done up. I mean, how cute is a little present. You can put chocolate, because it's the same size as my hand, so it's fairly big. And then this is the butterfly decoration that you have. So I have designed it to go on top of the pillow box, but nothing stops you to decorate the letter too. Or you can do for some, use it for something else. I've got some more letters here on my desk. And I'll show you quickly the alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay guys, if you wish to get the freebie, this one here, let me show you where to get and how to find them all. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, you saw where and how to find all the freebies, including this one. If you wish to join my monthly subscription, which is super affordable, I will show on my website where to find it. Okay guys, so if you click on antoniomakes.com, just here in the bar, this is my website, this is my homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there it is. So the VIP Lounge, if you are anything like me, that crafting is just a hobby, but it's like a daily joy, a moment of calm, and a space that we can together, guys, create something together with our hands. This is the platform for you. What is the VIP Lounge? It's a monthly membership plan. Okay, so I've got 2 options. The first one, which is the monthly payment, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So digital papers, my ebook, my workshops, digital papers back sent to your email address. So I'll do this for you. Every month I send a paper to your email. You just need to check your spam or junk email box, because sometimes, depends on your privacy setting, the emails can end up there. And also get a monthly offer or a gift. This can be anything, can be a free kit, can be a discount, can be an offer on my website, etc. And also every month you get a gift box template with a private video on how to put it together. Okay, you can also decide to join yearly. So this is the best seller option. So you pay once Okay, and you subscribe for 12 months. Okay, so when you do that, of course, it's cheaper. So the subscription will last for 12 months, starting on the month that you join. You get the same, so you get 30% discount, digital paper packs, a monthly offer, a box template. But when you join the yearly subscription, you get £5 instant voucher to spend on the website. Again, you can buy any digital papers, you can get my ebook for cheaper, and of course my junk journal workshop as well. And that's the spirit behind my VIP lounge. It's a special place I create for fellow paper lovers who wants a bit more magic every month. Every month, my VIP members receive exclusive bundles and all of this, guys. So I'm really, really looking forward to have you part of this community. And it's more than just digital paper. I believe it's a year of creativity, surprise, and of course, some savings as well if you join the yearly one. I'm so looking forward, guys, to see you all in here. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Truly, truly appreciate your love and support, because every time you guys interact with my videos, YouTube get a little notification and really, really support my journey here. I'm going to go. Have a wonderful, wonderful crafting weekend. And until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.